Hi guys, it's Mandy here from TK's. Today I'm going to show you how to apply TK's Fibre Brow Extender. Comes in 5 different shades. The bottles look like this. I literally call them a brow in a bottle. You can get perfect brows in less than 60 seconds. And today I'm using Cappuccino. Does come in 5 shades. I've gone for a little bit of a darker shade today. Normally I would go with maybe Dolce Blonde or Light Blonde. Today I'm just going a little bit more for a dramatic look. So in the bottle, you've also got a little applicator. And now with this applicator, it's also got a tip. You can use that tip to define the end, and also if you want to go under and over the brow to give it that little bit more definition. The bottle itself is sea mineral clay, infused with beautiful minerals and vitamins and also peptides that stimulate growth to the brow area and also nourish the follicles as well. So here we go. You can see I've got this side already done, so let's balance me out. Nice little strokes like so. It actually gives you better control. And you can see there I've already made a boo-boo. And the nice thing is this takes about 60 seconds to set, so you can actually manipulate it around. It's not like a pencil or a liquid that you have to start over again. So here we go. We're just going to finish this off with a few more strokes. My brows definitely do go a little bit lighter on the ends. And we are almost done, folks. And just like that, I've got 2 brows that are nice, evenly full with dimension. And because the fibres in there do attach to all the baby hairs and the skin, it literally gives you that 3-dimensional look of a brow. Sets in 60 seconds to your body temperature. And once it's set for the day. So you can work out, you can rub your eye. It won't move, budge or smudge. You'll have a beautiful brow all day long. And don't forget, guys, brows are sisters, not twins. Have a great day.